In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in WordPress. Whether you're enhancing a blog post or polishing a page, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along with confidence. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center, where you manage posts, pages, media, and settings. Once you're in, decide where you want the image to appear. If you're working on a blog article, head to Posts. For a static page like a home page or About page, go to Pages. Open the one you want and click Edit to enter the WordPress editor. Inside the editor, place your cursor where you want the image to show up. Then click the plus button, often called Add Block. This opens the block inserter, which gives you access to all the content blocks available in WordPress's editor. In the search bar, or the list that appears, choose the image block. This tells WordPress exactly what kind of content you want to insert. When the image block loads, you'll see three options for bringing in your picture. Upload lets you add a file directly from your computer. This is great for new images you haven't used before. For the best performance, pick a reasonably sized file and a common format like JPG or PNG. Media Library opens your site's existing collection of images, perfect when you want to reuse something you've already uploaded. You can browse or search to find what you need. Insert from URL allows you to add an image that lives elsewhere on the web by pasting its direct link. Only use reliable sources here, because if that external link changes or breaks, your image won't display. After you choose the option that fits your situation and select the image, WordPress will place it right in your content. You'll see a live preview so you can confirm it looks the way you expect. If you need to, you can reposition the block within your content or make light visual adjustments using the on-screen controls and the settings panel on the right. When you're happy with how it looks, save your work. If this is a brand new post or page, click Publish to make it live. If you were editing something that already exists, click Update to apply the changes. That's all it takes to add an image in WordPress. With these steps, you can quickly enhance your content and keep your site looking polished and professional.